All right, y'all. I do feel like this sneaker recently dropped. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. I do feel like it did.
Yep.
But nonetheless, Jordan Brand, Nike, whoever has been doing this where they've been dropping stuff, like they don't even care. The retro date, there's no rhyme or reason. Y'all can tell by the box what it is. Let's talk about it. All right, you guys, like I said, Jordan 13 box. Anytime you see the silver with the red Jumpman logo, here we go right here. We got the Air Jordan 13 retro. This is a size 11.5, man. So maybe I can tell you guys the size and stuff like that. So open this box up, white paper. And we have the Air Jordan 13 Flint. Man, like I said, I feel like this shoe recently just dropped, but we got them again. But nonetheless, you know what I'm saying, we got to talk about it. Epic 13. To me, this is probably one of the best Jordan 13s to ever drop. I know it's a non-OG colorway, but it's considered an OG colorway to me. You feel what I'm saying? Y'all see the inside of it. Material looks good. Toe box leather looks good. And I feel like, now that I think about it, man, I can't think of a 13 where it just looked bad. You know what I'm saying? I feel like every 13, Flint 13, let me correct that, Flint 13 that they drop always looks good, man. So that's the left one. Here is the right one. Of course, no extra laces normally come with the 13s anyway. Hologram right there, 2-3 with the plastic on it. Hey, let me know down in the comment section. Do y'all keep that on there or do y'all take it off? Which one y'all do? You feel what I'm saying? Super clean sneaker. And the 13s, I always like they in a chokehold whenever they are laced up. But let me see if I can show you guys sizing real quick. All right, so when it comes to the shoe trees, that's what it is. And then sizing, true to size, man. You feel what I'm saying? These fit perfectly. This is a 11.5. That is my traditional size on the 11.5. So true to size when it comes to the sizing on the Air Jordan 13 Flints. Real clean sneaker. Let me see if I can give y'all a better look at them. Here you go, man. On feet look at the Air Jordan 13 Flint. Sizing, like I said, is really, really good on them, man. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about these. But that's all I got for y'all, man. They will be releasing August 1st for $220, $15. It's going to be between $215, $225. But the Air Jordan 13 Flint is back again. Let me know down below if this is a must cop for you guys. And as always, I appreciate y'all. Y'all know the saying, man. Rock with you like that. I was hype. Remember everything you talk about. Just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm going to catch y'all next one. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the route for OGs and the youth. You can